Japanese automaker Toyota has finally taken the wraps off its high-performance hatchback, the 2023 Corolla GR. It is developed by GAZOO Racing, the company's performance and motorsports division. The hot hatch is offered in two trims, Core and Circuit editions. The four-wheeler will be up for grabs in the global market this year. The exterior of the GR Corolla is lined with sharp angles and functional features that increase the aerodynamics of the hatchback. The intimidating stability of the front fascia is due to the expansive front grille, flared fenders, overall wide stance, and functional vents on either side of the grille. The strength in the design doesn't end at the front bumper. The broad rear diffuser under the hatchback continues the trend for a complete, assertive exterior design. If you choose to snag a GR Corolla Circuit Edition, you can equip the vehicle with a forged carbon fiber roof and vented hood to build on the already impressive look. Choose between white, supersonic red, and heavy metal for the Circuit Edition's exterior color, or between white, black, and supersonic red for the core trim. The interior of the 2023 Corolla can include a leather-trimmed steering wheel, a gauge cluster, an all-new touchscreen, and Toyota Audio multimedia system. The GR Corolla Circuit Edition can add to the interior by offering suede-trimmed sports seats, red accents, and a 2023 only shift knob signed by Morizo. The 2023 Toyota GR Corolla runs on a 1.6-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged engine that generates 300 horsepower per 370 Nm. The mill is mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox with rev match functionality. The car also has GR4 all-wheel drive system.